Diving at night is risky. So why do people scuba dive at night? Is it for the thrill, or is it to spot unusual creatures, like this green crab? To minimize mishaps at night, a flashlight and backup light are a necessity, so you don't bump into things. After all, you aren't armored like this crab. It's easier to get disoriented at night. People dive in the pitch black to see creatures who only come out at night. This crab is puzzled as to why is his buddy carrying seaweed. Photography is another reason because there is no ambient light. This allows you to capture the true colors of this sea slug, an Armina nudibranch. Perfect lighting shows off the colors of this nudibranch as well. This seahorse is trying to hide. Perhaps he's afraid of creepy crawlers. To avoid mishaps at night, it's essential to stay close to your dive buddy, like this pair of fish. They camouflage themselves by pretending to be leaves. Unlike humans, hermit crabs have a tough, protective shell. Nighttime is the best time for crabs to forage. Sometimes danger lurks in the sand, such as this snake eel lying in wait. This night diver spots something in the sand. It's a strange-looking fish. This seahorse is staring at something intently. Perhaps this snail has captured his attention? This orangutan crab is out of place, and air-breathing humans are even more out of place underwater. Divers brave the spooky night because that's when the ocean comes alive. The main objective of nighttime diving isn't to spot unusual creatures. The main goal of a night dive is to come back to shore alive.